What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK5475HYD. This is going to be our hydraulic brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with a 5 on 4 3/4 bolt circle. See right here, this is the box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it. And we got two smaller boxes that'll hold everything nice and neat. Make sure it gets to you. We'll pull our smaller boxes out. You can see right here we got our True Ride brake drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs, and these 5 on 4 3/4. The way we measure it is from stud to closest stud, and that measurement is going to be 2 3/4. You can see our races are already pressed in, front and back. And we have our hydraulic backing plate. See right here, that's our hydraulic piston. And how we tell left hand and right hand is this piece right here is facing towards your truck. We'll pull out our small parts. We have our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So in this kit you'll get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we're going to get your mounting hardware. You'll get 8 studs, 8 washers, and 8 nuts. So you'll just slip your stud through right here, slip it through the axle plate, throw your washer on, throw your nut on. Then we're going to get 2 sets of bearings, an inner and an outer for each side. The inner is going to be the 68149 and the outer is going to be the 44649. The outer is going to just pop in right here, and your inner is just going to pop in here. Then we're going to get 2 seals, one for each side. You can see right here. And then you're just going to pop your inner bearing in and then your seal right behind it. And we're going to get 10 lug nuts right there. We're going to get 2 castle nuts and 2 cotter pins. And most guys won't send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure you get everything you got, everything you need. So we'll just pop this on the spindle and then pop this right through like that. It'll hold it nice and neat. Then you're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason you'll get 4 is you'll notice that 2 will be solid and 2 will have this hole in it. This is for the Easy Lube spindle and this is for your regular spindle. These will come with the rubber plug and the tang washers. You can see right here the rubber plug's already installed in that one. And then these will come with the regular spindle washer. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple stuff. Thanks for watching. That was the BK5475HYD.